Chapter 6. Learn about cooking. Ponder a while. Why can't you eat a pumpkin raw? Do we need to cook all the food items that we eat? What is cooking? Applying heat to food is called cooking. Some of the foods can be eaten raw and some need to be cooked. Cooking has many benefits. Some of them are: cooked food is easier to digest. Cooked food becomes softer and hence easier to eat. Cooking kills the germs present in the food. Cooking makes the food tastier. Boiling. In boiling, the food is put in water and is allowed to heat up until it boils. Rice is cooked by boiling. We eat boiled grams, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. Frying. Some foods are cooked in hot oil. This is called frying. Pakoras, cutlets, puris, etc. are common examples of cooking by frying. Roasting. Cooking food over direct heat is called roasting. No liquid is used for roasting. Chapatis, meat, groundnut, etc. are roasted. Steaming. Steaming means to cook food in steam. The food need not be put in water. Idli, dhokla, and momos are cooked by steaming. Baking. In baking, food is cooked in an oven without using extra liquid or fat. Bread and cakes are baked. Vessels and pots for cooking. We use different types of vessels for cooking. These vessels are of various shapes and sizes. Some vessels are deep, some are flat, some have lids, and others are kept open. We mostly use the vessels made of steel. Earlier, people used to cook food in vessels made of brass, iron, clay, and copper. In some villages, people use brass and clay pots to cook food. Fuel and fire. Different people use different types of stoves to put fire for cooking food. In villages, people use chulas and tandoors. The fuels used to put fire in these kinds of stoves are cow dung and wood. People living in cities mostly use gas stoves. The gas used in these kinds of stoves is called LPG. It is an easily available gas. Nowadays, some people use sunlight to cook food. This cooking is done in solar